So if you're just doing an installation and Eagle Eye's doing a commissioning, this is how you'd want the system to look. You have your cables run, the wires crimped but not plugged into the sensors. You've got an RJ12 cable plugged into the left side of the VIGILANT sensors on each one, but not into the next sensor. We have the power cables run and crimped with the fuse in at the power cable clamps, so you're able to check voltage, make sure polarity is correct, but don't plug these into the monitor. Don't do any switching on of the monitor. And then we have the RJ12 cables that run to the first and the last sensor already made up, ready to be plugged in when we get to commissioning.